Welcome to another Kevin's English Schools English learning video. The phrase break up has several meanings depending on the context in which it's used. Here are a few common meanings along with examples to help ESL students understand to end a romantic relationship. Example: Sarah and Tom decided to break up after dating for 2 years. Explanation: this means Sarah and Tom decided to end their romantic relationship, to separate or disperse into smaller pieces or parts. Example: the teacher asked the students to break up into groups for the project. Explanation: here, break up means to divide into smaller groups or units. To disrupt or interrupt something. Example: the loud noise outside the classroom broke up the students' concentration. Explanation: in this case, break up means to disturb or interrupt a situation or activity, to come apart or disintegrate. Example: the old bridge started to break up under the weight of the truck. Explanation: this usage refers to something physically falling apart or deteriorating, to end or dissolve a meeting or gathering. Example: let's break up the meeting and reconvene tomorrow. Explanation: here, break up means to formally end a gathering or assembly. Understanding these different meanings can help ESL students grasp how breakup can be used in various contexts.